Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we drive part 3 of Louisiana Highway 46, beginning as we enter the community of Poydras in St. Bernard Parish. Poydras had an estimated population of 3,886 as of the 2000 census and was named for the Poydras plantation here on the riverfront. We're now getting into the land of the Isleños people who settled this area in the late 1700s when Louisiana was a Spanish colony. The Isleños came from the Canary Islands, and although they mixed with other local ethnic groups, they still maintain their cultural heritage today due to the relative isolation of this area. We've been following the Mississippi River up until now, but at this junction, a right turn onto LA 39 would take us further downriver. But we continue on LA 46 through this curve to the left, and we begin a short concurrency with LA 39 north. The local name here becomes Bayou Road, which follows Bayou Terrebuff. This area was once known as and marked on maps as Sebastopol as we approach a junction with LA 39, LA 46, and LA 300. Bayou Road continues straight ahead as LA 300, which we'll try to cover in a later video. We turn left onto East Judge Perez Drive and will briefly continue the concurrency with LA 39, but we're about to make a right turn onto a newer 4-lane highway built in the 1990s to bypass Bayou Road and LA 300, which was considered to be a very dangerous highway. We're now in the community of St. Bernard, originally called San Bernardo by the Spanish-speaking Isleños. Now bear in mind that the towns and communities that we mention here are centered on Bayou Road, which is about a quarter of a mile to our right. We won't see much of the communities along this highway. Stay tuned for our LA 300 series coming soon. In the community of St. Bernard, you can find the Dr. Louis A. Ducros House, the Kenilworth Plantation House, Magnolia Mound, and the Sebastopol Plantation House, all on the National Register of Historic Places, but we won't see them on LA 46 because they're all over on LA 300. We enter the community of Toca. Most of our info about the small communities along this route come from the blue and white signs placed on the roadside, presumably by a historical society. The boundaries aren't clear on maps, and there's surprisingly little information about it on the web. Toca was established in 1780 according to the sign, and that's about all of the information I can find about it. Toca is the Spanish third-person verb meaning to touch, but that doesn't say much about the origin of the name. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the community of Verrettville, alternately called Verrett with only one T. Once again, there's very little information about this community other than that it was likely named after someone named Verrett, which is a common name in the area of people of Canary Islander descent. According to the sign, Verrettville was established in 1874. We conclude today's video as we approach the large flood wall that protects St. Bernard Parish from flooding during tropical storms. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.